Welcome. This is a simple demo of the Vantrue Nexus 5. What happens when it's missing a memory card? It makes a tone, which is a warning. It also displays on the screen in orange the message that it is missing. And you can put the power into the rear port on this camera and it will start up. Nice little tip to know about. So no memory card. Plug in the power. Here she goes, starting up. It actually reports there's no memory chip. There we have it. Please insert an SD card. I'm just waiting for the screen to go off. Turn on screen. Turn off screen. Here we go. Now I just need to remove the power and it will shut down. Thanks for watching.